What if machines could think? Imagine factories humming with intelligent machines making decisions on their own. Picture a world where robots collaborate with humans. This isn't science fiction. This is Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution. What if factories ran themselves, connecting the physical and digital worlds, harnessing data, AI, and interconnected systems for smarter industries? It's a revolution impacting our lives and jobs. But this revolution has challenges. How do we prepare for a future with intelligent machines? How do we ensure this technology benefits everyone? These are the questions we need to grapple with. The future is here. Are you ready to embrace it? Industry 4.0 isn't some distant concept. It's already transforming industries across the globe, from manufacturing and healthcare to transportation and energy. Think self-driving cars, personalized medicine, and smart factories that can predict and prevent production delays. This technology is making our lives easier, more efficient, and more connected than ever before. Imagine a world where your refrigerator orders groceries when you're running low, or where your car communicates with traffic lights to optimize your commute. But it's not just about convenience. Industry 4.0 has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. Imagine using AI-powered systems to optimize energy consumption, reduce waste, and develop sustainable solutions for a healthier planet. The possibilities are limitless. But to fully realize the potential of Industry 4.0, we need to understand its implications and prepare for the changes it will bring. Like any revolution, Industry 4.0 comes with its own set of challenges. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for job displacement. As machines become more intelligent, they will inevitably automate tasks currently performed by humans. However, it's important to remember that every technological revolution has created new jobs and opportunities. Industry 4.0 is no different. While some jobs may become obsolete, new ones will emerge in fields like data science, AI development, and robotics engineering. Another challenge is ensuring that this technology is used ethically and responsibly. As we entrust machines with more decision-making power, we need to establish clear ethical guidelines and safeguards to prevent unintended consequences. The key is to approach this revolution with a balanced perspective, embracing the opportunities while mitigating the risks. Section 4, a universe of applications from smart factories to personalized medicine. The applications of Industry 4.0 are vast and varied. In manufacturing, smart factories are using sensors, robotics, and data analytics to optimize production, reduce waste, and create highly customized products. In healthcare, AI-powered systems are helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier, develop personalized treatment plans, and even perform complex surgeries with greater precision. In transportation, self-driving cars promise to revolutionize the way we move, making our roads safer and more efficient. These are just a few examples of how Industry 4.0 is transforming our world. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge in every sector of the economy. What other applications of Industry 4.0 can you think of? Section 5. Navigating the future skills for the fourth industrial revolution. So how do we prepare for this future? The key is to develop the skills that will be in high demand in the age of Industry 4.0. This includes technical skills like data analysis, coding, and AI development, as well as soft skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and adaptability. Education and training programs need to adapt to equip the workforce with these essential skills. Lifelong learning will be crucial as technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace. The future belongs to those who are willing to embrace change, learn new skills, and adapt to the evolving demands of the job market. Are you ready to navigate the future of work? But there's so much more to explore. In our next exciting installment, dive into simulation for beginners from zero to hero. Discover how simulation is revolutionizing industries and learn to optimize processes, reduce costs, and make better decisions. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the future of industry. Visit LeanSimCorp.com to learn more about thriving in Industry 4.0. How will Industry 4.0 impact your field? What are the biggest challenges and opportunities? How can we prepare for the future of work? What ethical considerations should guide AI development? How can we ensure the benefits are shared by all? The future is in our hands. Let's shape it together.